Ralf voelt de FOMO van Stasje.
Wat dan?
Zeg, wij zijn echt idioten dat we steeds lager willen kopen. Ik ga nu inkopen zijn.
Oké, we zijn nu aan het streamen. We zijn nu live. Ja.
Gotta watch my words then.
Ja, je hoort jezelf wel, dat is goed.
Hoor je mij redelijk?
Ja. Je kan de stream wel open hebben.
Kijk.
Kijk, we kunnen nu nog steeds in Nederlands praten. Dus dat scheelt ook nog wel. Even kijken. Oké, ja.
Hoor je mij redelijk?
Ja. Je kan de stream wel perfect.
Kijk.
Oké, heb ik dit even hier. Voor de chat. Oké, wacht even, ik kom eraan. Je kan alvast de link delen en zo. Op Telegram.
Goed. Waar vind ik de stream nou?
Je kan alvast de link delen en zo. Op Telegram.
De stream is in Telegram als het goed is.
Ja, ik weet nu veranderen het wel straks. Wacht, stream staat in het Nederlands? Waar? Do we have people on the channel? That's the main question. Do we? No, not yet, still.
De stream is in Telegram als het goed is.
Oeh. Dan moet ik even weggaan. Hè? Waar zeg je dat de stream in Nederland stond?
Het is in het Engels, man. Quotum scheduled starts in 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Alright. Oké, so... Heb je de link gestuurd? Ja, toch?
Hij staat boven als balk, staat hier. Ja, dit is geen link. Kijk. Oh, share invite link. Ik heb hier wel.
Hij staat als publiek, maar ik doe het wel. Groep
Zijn ook op YouTube.
Ja. Maar niet aan mij, gewoon sturen naar Quotum. Maar ik heb het al gestuurd.
Zeker bro.
Ik ga het even pinnen.
Jij bent handig geworden, man.
Bro, ik ben handiger. What is you talking about?
Yo. Het is wel hard dat je die audio hoort als je vraagt binnenkrijgt.
Alright.
Ze zien ook je scherm toch gewoon.
Ja, bro, tuurlijk.
Hey.
Je kan het ook zien, hè?
Ja. We gaan checken. Hoeveel seconden zou die achterlopen?
Volgens mij zo'n 20 seconden.
Oh, perfect. Dat is best goede kwaliteit, man.
I know. Ik heb goede internet. Nou, goed in ieder geval dat ze ons kunnen horen.
Het valt wel op, Omar, als je gelijk naar de watchlist kijkt. Welke groen en rood zijn.
Oh, dit was zo mooi trouwens, hè. Gewoon precies.
Well, what about Foresti? The pump.
The pump won't last long. Won't last fucking long. Dat zeg ik je nu wel.
Perma-bear?
Nee.
Until proven otherwise.
Nou, totaal niet. Nee, niet
No?
perma-bear, maar just
Slightly bearish.
stating facts.
Oh ja.
Oh, Luke is in. Nice.
Oh, kijk die candleball.
I got...
Kijk,
ja, ik heb... Wacht,
That's a bullish freaking candle, man.
Ik heb YouTube nu... Oké, 2 concurrent viewers. Ja, weet je, ik denk gewoon even nog een paar minuten wachten. 2, 3-ish. En dan gewoon aan de slag. Dan kunnen we gewoon switchen naar Engels. En nou ja. Stuur die stream anders gewoon naar die ene WhatsApp groep van jou, Robin. Weet je wel?
Ja, bro, ik weet niet of het kan, man.
Gewoon proberen, jongen, proberen.
Yeah.
Even, ja toch? Een soft ban. Trouwens, GHX is aan het moenen. En het is... I'm liking it. I'm loving it, actually. Ai. Robin. Als ik je laat zien... winsten... die ik gedaan heb met Gamercoin. Je gaat me haten, jongen.
Tell again, bro.
Oh, concurrent viewers 4. Nice. Picking up.
Hey, yo.
I think most of them are Dutch people. So, well, we're gonna keep it in English.
Ik kan nog steeds Nederlands praten, maar...
Nee, klopt. But we gotta keep it international, right? We gotta keep it
Oh,
international.
yeah. You don't discriminate, right?
No. Yeah. I think a few more minutes waiting and then we can just start. Hey guys, please say hello in the chat or say something, whatever. Just something. Luke,
So, guys from the Dutch chat, you already know. I can send messages, guys, but I don't know if it's appropriate. I can.
Yeah. Just send.
I want to steal Rowan shit, right?
Yeah, just send so that the algorithm pops in as well. Say, oh, this streaming is doing well. We're educating at the end of the day, right? So that's also the topic of this streaming.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. So yeah. Actually, let me also hop in. And I'll do this. Okay, nice. All right. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're starting. Yeah, well, let's first start off with the winner of our competition that we had regarding referrals. I already took the liberty to choose the winner, but I'm gonna show you again just so you guys see that it was fair and square. Maybe it changed, maybe it didn't. But select winner. I hope I still can. I need to purchase the access. Well, never mind, because I already did. So it was Fins. So
Fins.
Yeah, it was Fins. I
Really?
think he invited. I think he invited, like, to be honest, I think three guys or four. So yeah, he invited 4 guys. No, let me see. Yeah, it's 3 guys. Yeah, I think even the last person that he invited yesterday was also a mate of his. So
You went in, man. You went in.
It was good. So yeah, congrats, Fins. You won. So when we start our VIP, you have a month for free access. So yeah, as we will say, bij deze, je hebt gewonnen.
In Dutch.
So yeah. Hey yo, what? Someone is asking you, Robin, like, how is your ankle doing?
Oh, my ankle. Oh yeah, fuck. So yeah, that's pretty much a big problem. I cannot walk anymore. I borrowed a car from family, and cannot really drive now, so that's fine. But yeah, I'm getting better, man. I'm getting better. So yeah, that's about it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. Yeah, Ben.
Then I guess we can start just going through the markets, and yeah, let me just answer to nobody.
Yeah, he's been active in the chat, man.
Yeah, a lot. Standard update.
Some names pop up a lot.
Keep it short.
Christian also learning all the ins and outs about Uniswap.
Yeah.
First week, he's already traumatized by the process.
Was he?
But I believe we helped him, man. I saw that he bought some 0kn and some Briolio. So that's great to see, man.
Yeah. Hey, Luke saying GHX pumping. Thank you for the call out. Yeah, all good, man. No, I mean, we've been calling fucking pretty sick shots, to be honest. I think the one where we sort of slept on It's this one. We wanted to share it, but we were like just waiting a bit more for this area. But yeah, it pumped 70. Well, sorry, no, 90% already from this local bottom here. But yeah, nevertheless, I think win is a win, right? Because this one did also, since they're at 35%, which is good. Overall, our bags are in a pretty good position, in my opinion. So yeah.
For GHX, it was pretty clear to see the next bottom.
Yeah.
That was made on the 26th.
Yeah.
Because it's exactly a double bottom.
Yeah.
Right?
No, and to be honest, also, like, I hate the fact, because we even talked about it in the chat, that I had my order here, like literally just like a few percentages down, but it didn't hit.
It was 4% over.
Yeah, but it didn't hit. Nevertheless, I ended up buying here somewhere mid this week, right here, and yeah, I mean, still crazy gains, to be honest, crazy gains. I mean, everything started by selling that portion of how do you say that, of veracity, and then yeah, it was the right choice to do. So yeah, I might even start selling more veracity, because it's just costing a lot of opportunity cost at the moment, you know. And maybe in OPSEC, maybe somewhere else, you know. We'll see. We'll do some research and we'll see. I told Robin 2 days ago that OPSEC has a nice buying opportunity. Yeah. No, I believe that. No, we've talked about it a lot. We've really talked about it a lot. It's just that, yeah, I don't want to say we slept on it. It's just we had our money allocated somewhere else. So
we already had a plan to DCA in, right? Into one of our top altcoins.
Yeah.
But yeah, like 65% of our OPSECs, man. GG's, bro. Yeah. That's a lot. That's a lot.
Well money played. Is money. Money is money. But to be honest, even if we would have bought a bag of OPSEC, it wouldn't have been too much, you know, because we like to DCA, and the DCA buys of us become heavier and heavier after the second, third, fourth round of DCAing, you know. So, but gains is gains. Again, gains is gains.
Exactly.
So yeah, whoever made gains, congrats. And yeah, I guess we can start with the update, unless you guys want to ask us something. Something else, you know. If you guys want to.
I received a lot of questions on my phone as well from the members.
Yeah, so maybe let's start with with a few questions, and then we can go right on with the update and go through charts.
Yeah, of course, and the questions also overlap a little bit, you know, because they're mostly interested in the altcoins. So a guy pretty new, Christian, of course, you've seen me in the chat.
Yeah.
He asked a lot about buying opportunities on Uniswap, how to buy certain stuff, etc. But he was mostly interested in CoinGecko and its features. What can it do? Where do we use it for, etc. Just a more general question.
Yeah. So CoinGecko mostly. You use it as a portfolio tracker, right? Here, I'm not gonna click because otherwise you guys are going to be able to see my portfolio. Oh wait, let me see if I can hide the thing.
Maybe like an anonymous browser
you should
tab.
Be able to hide
on the website.
Yeah. So here, a sec. So.
Don't leak any info, Omar.
No. No. So. Here you'll be able to see basically, you'll be able to track all your stuff, you know, like the gains, the P&L, everything. So, but yeah, basically that, you know, you use it as a portfolio tracker, and also to have a few coins on your watch list. So you cannot use it actually for much else, but for research purposes, it helps a lot. So yeah. It helps.
But for a total beginner, you want to know where you can buy certain coins, etc. So, for instance, we are looking at Rialio, and he cannot find it on Kucoin, right? Or of the obvious apps like Bitfavo. So, where does one start then?
Yeah. So then
he looks up the name.
Yeah. So you look up the name here, right? Make sure you can always look at either by the real name or just the token abbreviation. You go to markets, and then here you'll be able to see where you can buy it. I think oftentimes you can just click. I think it was here, yeah, and
Go
then
to markets, right?
it will bring you already
There you
to the how do you say that, to the trading pair. Actually, Robin, let me share my screen.
You can see all the socials as well. You can see the contract address if you want to add it eventually.
Hey Robin, I'm
course, on the
sharing also
left.
my screen with you on Discord, so you can also see on real time when I'm hovering and all that stuff.
Oh yeah. It's pretty much live, man. I can see the Max account now.
Oh, is it? Is it? Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was like
it's
more
1-on-1 actually, man.
Yeah, I thought it was like 20 minutes or 20 seconds or
No,
something.
no.
Okay.
Quick
good.
internet, man.
Yeah, good. Perfect. Yeah, so most of the times you can just click on the pair, and I don't know, Uniswap, yeah, apparently, yeah, as well. So that's that really. Not much.
It's mostly interested for the smaller tokens. For instance, you see an opportunity where you can buy a certain token on Uniswap with like a 10 million market cap, and you can quickly find all the info on this website. And for instance, you can also calculate. I have $1,000 to invest. How much of tokens is that? And you have like a little calculator, etc. So some nice tools. And generally, you go there to find the core of information before you do extensive research. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Lovecat.
Yeah.
Are you a fan of Lovecat, Omar?
No, I participated on the pre-sale.
Okay.
But I put it like 50
It's
bucks.
like a meme thing.
Yeah, it's just a meme shit. I put it like 50 bucks.
Are we meme coins someone now?
No.
Are we meme
I
coins?
was just.
Were you buying Woof?
No. It was just like 50 bucks that I had in Solana. It's just 50 bucks I had there. So, yeah, I just put it a bit, and yeah, it did nice apparently. So.
Yep.
Yeah, fuck it. But yeah, any other question from your from the
Oh
text?
yeah, got it from Christian as well. Let's see actually, because he sent a lot of messages. Of course,
Yep.
it's nice to see.
Nice to see indeed.
Let's see. Maybe like a next potential big project slash pre-sale, or yeah, how we can find certain stuff and what we can expect. For instance, okay, we want to buy a new token now. Where should one look at? Can he do some of his own research, of course? What can he do? It's like, should he look at Twitter? Should he wait? What should he do?
Yeah, listen. When it comes to Twitter, you need to be able to filter out all the bullshit. You need to see first at the narrative, right? Like what are the narratives that are being watched a lot, right? So for example, lately you have BRC20, real world assets, and gaming, as well as AI, of course. So if you make sure you find something that's within those narratives, then it will perform really well. For example, 2 months ago we participated in USA, right, which is the debt press, which we shared by the way also last week, right? So debt press, yeah. So make sure you always look at the narrative. Still 50% up the NFTs. Token, I wouldn't invest on it just yet, just until inflation gets down a bit more. But yeah, just look at the narratives. Try to find the launch pads that they might allow you to participate, and that make sure you just find the narrative, find the launch pad, and then participate.
Yeah.
Think.
And a few guys of our group also capitulated on LDY.
Oh yeah, LDY. Yeah. No, short
really great snipe actually from our group.
Short story on LDY. Let's see if I can find the LBP. Yeah, here. So we bought at 8 cents, right? So the launch will be at 13 cents, which already grants us like a fucking. No, sorry, we bought at 10 cents. Now it's 13 cents. So that's already a 30% up. But on OTC, so over the counter, because they haven't launched yet, but they're allowing people to start trading the tokens. It's already trading 10x up, so it's already trading 10 times higher than where we invested. And I'm not making those numbers up. You can clearly see on the Discord here that 3,000 tokens at 50 cents, 50 coins, 50 coins at 70 cents, and yeah, 100 LDY at $2. You know, so there are already trading happening in OTC, right? So it's some crazy gains already in OTC. So I'm intrigued to see how the launch will go, especially since this token is actually covering a lot of ground for us, right? Like it's tapping onto the BRC2 narrative, it's tapping onto the DeFi narrative, and it's also tapping onto the real world asset pool. So it's tapping a lot of narratives for us, and it's quite nice to see, to be honest.
And with a few of these wins, you can build up like a really solid portfolio before the bull market actually, the big bull market actually starts, right?
And for example, I would start also looking at this website here, guys, because there are a lot of nice launches over here. I think OPSEC or OLAS, OLAS was the one that launched also through here, and they made some crazy gains, like a valuation of 2-point-something billion. I think it was. So yeah, it's here. Here you see fully diluted valuation of 2.8 billion. Market cap at the moment is 289 million. So yeah, it's crazy, guys. It's absolutely insane.
This token has also been on the radar in more Dutch groups. For instance, also the Stasher group, which I found Olas mentioned a lot.
Yeah,
it's fun, nice to see.
God,
but what I saw is that when volatility hits and like the market is very red, these coins are a bit more volatile as well. So these altcoins pump and dump hard. It's not a pump and dump, of course, but it fluctuates hard. Yeah.
Yeah. So Olas also launched through here, through Fjord Foundry, and you can see, guys, that it went literally from 4 cents to fucking all-time high, which was $8.3, which is absolutely insane. And by the way, shit. I can actually say that this structure over here is basically the same as what Realio is seeing at the moment, just accumulation before actually continuing. And this is also what Olas is having at the moment again, you know? It's just a continuation before starting to pump again. So just a small TA lesson. This is called a broadening wedge, which is a neutral pattern, but you follow the trend. And at the moment, the trend is up. So likely it goes like this and then follow down back here and then go back up. So this is this is what they call an ascending broadening wedge. So yeah, small TA.
There's a bullish price structure at the moment, right?
Yeah, that definitely. I mean, we can just tap on it real quick, you know, and it's just you can see clearly how it looks the same, you know. I mean, clearly, and there's a lot of buying pressure happening already. So that's insane. And to be honest, I mean, I think I called this already in the group, you know, that Rio will enter a consolidation phase, you know. I mean, it was to be seen, to be honest. Let me see if I can pull the chart once again. Yeah, I have.
Can you fix the sound, please? Someone says in the chat.
My sound? Good morning.
It's my sound, fuck.
Whose sound? Mine or Robin? Then we'll fix it.
Let me know, man.
The volume is soft on one and loud on the other.
Okay, bro.
Might it be yours, Robin? I think.
Yeah, mine could be softer actually.
Yeah. Put that.
We're getting there.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it should be good. Oh, Robin is
much louder. Oh shit. Okay, I will fix that down, Lee.
Okay.
I'll put it down.
Yes.
There you go.
No, that's way too down, I think.
Now okay?
Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah.
Okay.
Much better.
Great, man. Great.
Nice. All right.
Okay, so we're explaining Rioyo and its consolidation.
Yeah, exactly. So basically the same as Olas, right? So you have a pump down. You have a pump, consolidate, pump again, Now this is of course just taking profit, but in an overall scheme of things, right? This is just a consolidation accumulation phase, and then you pump again, right? So this one, it just basically looks the same as here, right? It's just that accumulation, and then you continue up again, and then basically the same here, right? This is just a dump, redistribution, right? Because the trend was down, and then dump again, right? And if I was to just like turn it upside down, you could see that it also makes sense, like it goes up, accumulation, and it goes up again, right? But of course I just switched the chart then so that it gives you the clear vision of how TA works, because the same pattern you see when it's going up, it can be the same pattern you will find when it goes down. So keep that in mind, that the patterns work both ways and not only on one. It's always also depending on the trend. Yeah, better now, thanks. Okay, nice. Good. Is there
What could be like a price target for a Rioyo?
Price target for what? For like a top bull market, or?
Yeah, let's say the top bull market actually.
To be honest, I mean,
Because a lot of people
I could give
heard
you,
about
I could
it.
give you the Moonboy talk and tell you, $100, or I could tell you, depending on the TVL, total value locked, depending on the amount of assets they are able to tokenize. We know for a fact, and for a partnership that they have, that they can tap at any given moment. They can tap into a $300 million worth of assets. And tokenizing each of one of those assets will cost 5,000 Realio tokens that they need to buy from the open market. Half of that will be burned, and half of that will be revenue for the Realio team. So you can make the math, right? 300 million buying that from open market is going to crunch supply by a milestone, because it's like what Realio has, like, I think 80, 85, 90% of their tokens in circulation. So yeah, it can definitely go really fast. So that's that. It's just TVL, amount of tokenized assets, and the utility on chain, because they have a layer 1. So they're trying to explore and bring as much value as possible to their network.
Great, man.
Yeah.
Okay. And I've had a last question from Christian.
Yeah.
Regarding ZeroKN.
Mm-hmm.
He recently joined the ZeroKN with his bags, and
nice.
he wants to know what's the potential of ZeroKN for the end of 2024 and the end of 2025.
Okay, let me answer to Geert. He says, why is it in English? So the only reason why this is in English is just to keep it international. I know that at the moment, the 5, 6, 7 viewers that we might have at the moment, they're Dutch speaking. But since we want to keep the group open for new people, then yeah, English is a more welcoming language. And it's so
you can ask your questions in Dutch, so
yeah,
we
you
will
can ask
definitely
definitely
take a look at it,
in Dutch. Yeah, for sure.
Luckily, we're Dutch too.
Yeah, everyone. But yeah, but regarding Zero Knowledge Network, I think we're going to see, if we're not seeing that already, twice as big pump as what Ator saw. I mean, it's a privacy layer 0 agnostic chain, right? Meaning that it will be able to operate on whatever layer another project wants to use it, right? So it will be able to, privatize your information on any network, on any layer, and basically you'll stay anonymous for whatever activity you perform online, right? So whenever buying, selling, chatting, whatever, you will be private. Especially, let's see if I can find the amazing image that they have. Let's see, docs. There was an image where they actually they show that clearly how it worked. That's tokenomics, incentives.
Let me have a look.
Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, perfect.
Architecture.
Perfect. So on this one, you can see that it acts on whatever layer, right? It acts on all the layers. Let's see if I can open it here. Yeah, it acts on all the layers. It starts from the nodes that need to stake the coins. you know. Then you have mixed networks that will help you allow to you know, don't share your info with untrusted parties, right? So you will stay hidden for everywhere, and you will be able to, you know, interact with dApps, which are means basically decentralized applications like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, whatever else. Messaging, you will be able to trade deep in, which means just like decentralized physical whatever it was, DEPIN, which stands for decentralized physical infrastructure, which is a narrative all of a sudden, I think, because I started saying it a lot. Like Gamercoin has that. It's also DEPIN, and IoT, which stands for Internet of Things, and RPC.
It's becoming bigger and bigger, man. DeepIn.
Sorry.
It's becoming bigger and bigger. DeepIn.
Yeah, definitely.
It's in the top 10,
yeah,
right?
Everyone talks about it. Somehow, you know, I saw them texting it, you know, in the group, and then all of a sudden everyone it's DEPIN and stuff like that. But it's good because they know what they're doing. And keep in mind, guys, they haven't started marketing yet. They haven't, right? So all the growth that you're seeing in them is just natural. Nothing has been paid.
A lot of people joined recently, like last week. You saw people with over 100K, right?
It was insane, by the way. Those buys were crazy. There were like 4 buys straight of 100, 110, 120K. Like 4 buys straight. So it's going to get big. And keep in mind, 70% of the total supply is already circulating. So when it comes to privacy, this will definitely be the king of privacy. Absolutely. And I think I asked the question in the chat, and we're going to see more about the node pretty soon. And the interesting part about the node is that once the node is out, that means that tokens will need to be staked for you to run the node, which creates an insane buying pressure, right? The thing why everyone is excited about DeadPress, which is the gambling coin, is that you have the NFT, right? And to stake your NFT, you need on the side more tokens, therefore creating buyer pressure, right? So this works basically the same, but then on a network level, right? So for you to run the node, you need to stake tokens, right? Therefore taking tokens out of the circulating supply, right? Therefore creating a major supply shock, which then shoots the price even fucking more, you know? So that's a little bit about it. But I would recommend you to visit the website, and as Robin just shared, he shared already the link to the docs, and have a little read. You know, have just a little read, and see the images, which I think this explains already by itself a lot. I mean, I come from a IT background, so that yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any other question, Robin?
Let's have a look. Someone's calling me, but I can still see the message. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe a potential buying target for 0kn. Just
potential buying target. Yeah, good one. Let's see. I mean, we still have to buy ourselves a bit more, to be honest. We said we would do it today, but we shall see. But I would say, actually, well, let's have a wishful target, and then let's go for a realistic target. I think the wishful target will be this one, to be honest. This area right here. But I will definitely, let me put the daily. It's gonna be much easier. Yeah. Whoopa. Definitely this area over here. It's the one to watch out for, to add more. And then also, yeah, this one, but it already bounced. But yeah, this two, and of course here, in my opinion, is where you go big.
Oh yeah. Well, there's a lot of buying pressure, guys. So
yeah,
you cannot. I wouldn't really touch the line exactly.
Yeah, just like right before or right after it, you know, just get in and getting fast.
Some sniper entries, guys.
Yeah.
Don't sleep on this project.
Yeah, exactly.
I also won the giveaway. That's I really like them now with a $500 giveaway.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere, just reacting on Twitter, like.
Yeah, I wish
nobody wins that shit normally.
Yeah. But yeah, that's 0KN, and I guess we can start now with market update. I will open the altcoin index because I know some of you guys will want to touch on this later, and the nupul, which is this one, and then for later. So Bitcoin on the daily, it bounced exactly at our level right here. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, in my opinion. I mean, it touched our level to the fucking to the fucking cent, as I used to say 3 years ago. And to show you guys we're not bullshitting, I just took a, please can you just paste? Yeah, it's not gonna let me, but no problem. This is our Telegram market updates, and then
Yeah, we see your Bitcoin chart now.
yeah. Oh, sorry. Here, and then it was here. Yeah.
Crazy, by the way. It went back to the support line,
Yeah,
and
it
it
went
touched
back to
our
the middle
diagonal
line.
support.
Yeah, it went back here to this middle line.
Oh my god.
It went from 47k down to the bottom here, which, well, local bottom, let's call it that way. And yeah, listen, we call it to the absolute bottom, local.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Also
yeah,
the top, guys.
Yeah,
Holy
also
shit.
the top. Yeah, also the top. And now it just, now it looks like we're back above this neckline here, where it went cascade down, as if it was, just.
We never changed our chart for Bitcoin, by the way.
No.
It was the only chart we shared constantly.
Constantly, yeah, exactly.
Played out, bro.
So I would look maybe at a dump to the neckline again, test it, and then that's it, just a neckline here. And yeah, to be honest, this there's no need to overthink it. Just wait here, see if this holds. If it doesn't, then likely we're going to test the the bull market support band, and that would be the ultimate target. I think perhaps we might see actually just sideways until the bull market support band catches up, and we wick on it, and then we continue the grind up. I think that's one of the likely scenarios that we might see. I don't think we will push higher at the moment. I don't think so. If we do, then hey, I'm happy and my bags are packed. If we don't and we go lower, I have money to spend. So,
Should you hold like cash to wait for like support band touch for Bitcoin?
No.
If you want to DCA in.
We have some friends 4 or 5 months ago that they stayed on the sidelines because someone was saying, "Oh no, we're going to go lower. We're going to go lower." You know what happened to them? Just that.
No, he didn't buy shit.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't buy shit.
So.
And then you buy higher, right?
And then you end up buying higher. Then you don't have a nice you don't have a nice entry, right? You don't have the same gains. So DCA or just go in, chill out for 6 months, don't look at the charts, and then just go for it. But that's Bitcoin. And weekly somehow it ended up turning green. In my case, blue, of course. Which this is completely bullish, by the way. This is super bullish. Monthly is still looks like fucking shit. Monthly looks like absolute fucking shit. I mean.
Yeah, we now see the daily here.
Yeah, monthly looks absolute shit. This is actually a reversal candle, as we said last week. But it really depends. If we're in a true bull market, then we likely see it continue grind. But
the candle is up there, above support, right? But the wick is way down there.
At the moment it is, yeah. But there is major selling pressure, but there's also major buying pressure. I guess.
It's a weird ass candle, man.
Yeah, but I mean, we will see. To be honest, we will see. I mean, we're entering February, and then it will be March. March historically is not a good performing month for Bitcoin and crypto as a whole. So yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. One thing for sure is, let's take a quick look at the nupul here. It got absolutely resetted. I actually love to see this. I really like seeing this because it means that there's a lot of people still not in profit, right? Because the moment all of them are in profit, it's when you need to run out, because then people are going to start trying to realize profit, right? But this is perfect. This is absolute fucking perfect. The moment we start nearing this area here, run. fucking run. Within 2 weeks, 3 weeks time span, something will happen. And you can see clearly it happened here. It happened here. Here it touched and then completely down, and then here as well. So yeah, this is Bitcoin. This is Nupal, net unrealized profit loss, and that's why you need to keep on-chain data always on your side, because this is more than TA. This helps you get the.
So in one sentence, how should one look at this chart?
The moment we get into this area here, run.
The red zone.
Yeah. The moment you get into euphoria greed, run. Like, don't ever fucking look at the fear and greed index. Don't fucking look at that shit. It's the worst fucking indicator ever. This, don't fucking look at it. Don't.
You heard it,
the
guys.
fuck is
You heard
greed?
it.
How the fuck is this greed while we've been dumping the last 3 weeks? How the fuck is this greed? You know, it just doesn't make any sense. For me, this is the real fear and greed index. This. Which is Nupal. It's not fear and greed index, but yeah. Yeah, this is the very end. Okay, let's move to ETH. Also a reversal candle on the monthly. Not good at all. Not fucking good at all. But we will see. As mentioned, we will see. But you know, it could be the case that we have like this same scenario over here or over here, you know? Though this candle is I don't know, in Dutch we say verwarrend.
Confusing.
It's confusing. It's pretty confusing. It's pretty fucking confusing. Yeah, because you don't know which side it will go to. But on the weekly, yeah, it's still bearish on the weekly. You know, I mean, here this is a perfect example, by the way. Oh, oops. This is a perfect example. We have a reversal candle and we ended up reversing. But there are also often times where we have reversal candles like over here, and it doesn't end up reversing, and it goes up higher. You know, so it's hard to read. It's hard to read. You just need to take it day by day sometimes, and this will be one of those scenarios where we will need to take it day by day. Sadly, it's not like you can call it from 2 weeks ahead.
Right. I shared you a picture on Discord. I don't know if you can open it.
Yeah,
so regarding the chart from Ethereum.
Let me.
And that was my TA for a while. I haven't changed it actually, and
yeah,
it bounced perfectly on that line. If you can open it.
Yeah. No, yeah, perfect. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, ascending triangle, and it broke out, tested. Yeah, we could see a pump. We could see a retest and pump, for sure. That's definitely on the books. Definitely on the books.
Yeah. But there was no continuation possible with this current market.
No, not at the moment. No.
Because the gap is like more than 30%. If we broke that resistance line there, the blue one. There you go.
Yeah, no, that's a nice one. V-chain on the other side, it had a nice rally. Nice, just create a higher low and just continue it, in my opinion, as long as Bitcoin behaves, of course. Nothing really much to add this one. I mean, almost all the altcoins, besides the good ones, are just looking the same. I mean, Veracity looks like it might do something. I mean, there's a fair value gap here, which could end up pushing it to like 0.007. I don't see it happening, to be honest. I'm not perma bearish, but they still need to fix a lot of shit. Well,
it's clearly a breakout of the trend line, and now just a retest on the first like support resistance level, right?
It still managed to hold within this standing triangle situation here, or just this, just pennant, right? It's still just this, to be honest, but as I said, they need to come with up with a solution regarding their tokenomics. There's too much inconsistencies there. Like, I took a look at myself at Etherscan, and it doesn't add up. Info with what they said is just not adding up, and I trust on-chain data more than what I trust them, And when you get to that point, then it's bad, then it's really bad. So I sold already 50% of my position, and I'm really glad I did so, because I managed to double already my half that I sold. So I already doubled it within 2 weeks.
It's a fucking good decision, man.
Yeah, and hence why I'm also thinking on selling another 50% and holding yeah, just 25% of my total holdings that I had. So yeah, we'll see. I'll monitor how it goes. The moment we lose this support, I'm selling out the 50%. Of course, guys, I'm gonna say it in the chat if I do. For you guys, if you hold, then do it. If you don't hold, then for you, nothing new then.
It was some good buying pressure though from Foresti.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, like yesterday,
but that was because
like I saw 8%.
Yeah, that's why, because the guy called what is it called, timeshares, wasn't really posting. That's the guy that's exposing them, or just at least trying to bring some on-chain analytics to the Veracity community and letting them know, right? But yeah, looks like he's coming back, and he has found some more evidence allegedly. So he's going to be posting it.
Shit.
I'm keeping an eye on it, and yeah, whatever I find out, I'm gonna share it with you guys.
Great, man.
Yeah.
All right.
So yeah, Gamercoin. I think we talked about it in the beginning, but just to touch on it a bit fast, is just we called the bottom, we called the top, we bought on the right time, made 30% gains. We cannot complain, to be honest. I think now the ideal scenario would be that we touch this again, you know, like right about here, not even this zone here, but just like this here around the 32 0.032, and then perhaps sell a little bit there, perhaps, yeah, I would say so, and then just see what happens, see how the TA develops, see how the chart develops, and from there take on more action. But so far so good. This is what they call sort of like an Adam and Eve cup, you know. So well, let's see how it goes. But I like so far the position, the structure. I like it. Weekly is looking bullish. I think monthly was looking, yeah, monthly looking fucking bullish as well. So yeah, the monthly is a fucking monster. Monthly is a fucking monster. What do you think, Robin?
God damn. Yeah, for the first resistance point, I would say, yeah, the upper green line, of course.
Mm-hmm.
But then after we break that shit, let's see the VP VR, the volume profile, because I'm interested in that.
Yeah, I don't think there is enough data for it. Give me a sec, because it needs at least VP VR volume profile visible range. Yeah, let me put the weekly. Yeah. Well, once above here, there's nothing much.
Now we go to like the, what can we say here?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, the next point to touch on.
Yeah.
There. Climbing up the stairs of the breakout, of course, and yeah, you eventually want to go to the neckline of the breakout.
Yeah.
And in a very bullish scenario, of course, when the market is ready to pump, the overall, yeah, you can see some. In my opinion, at least 10x, if not more, because the all-time high is way higher, man. All-time high is way higher, let's be honest.
Yeah.
And wasn't it like the top 10 most tweeted tokens?
Yeah, lately? It was. I'm trying actually to find their Twitter, because their CEO shared something interesting. Let's see if I can find the CEO. Yeah, here.
It's sure you can buy this on Kucoin as well.
Exactly. And, yeah. Here, the CEO shared something. Let's see if I can grab it real quick. I think I
read it yesterday.
Yeah, it's this one. This week I've had 10 plus conversations about DePIN and AI with a range of potential partners, each doing phenomenal things. My excitement level is at an all-time high. Tag in the comments who we should talk to. Listen, these guys, they are really onto something big. And he's also going to talk to RNDR, like Render. I'm sure you all guys know about them. And
Render.
If they manage to land that partnership or like work with them, it's going to be insane. Fucking sane. Because these guys are tapping onto all the markets. AI, DePIN, you know, privacy. They're tapping all of that just with their product. So it's going to be fucking interesting to watch them grow. You know, the more games they allow into their fucking ecosystem, the more they can mine, the more they can protect other networks, the more they can give CPU to AI models to be able to render images or responses and all that stuff. So,
bro, yeah, I have to look at the chart as well from Render, by the way. Sorry, but it's crazy momentum. It's like a 10x since the start of 2023, and now forming a double bottom with nice support there.
It performed really well because AI is taking over, and this one is Gamercoin is solving problems of everyone, to be honest. So yeah, that's Gamercoin in a nutshell. Realio, I think we touched it as well already, right? We bought here, we bought literally here, that sniper entry, and we accumulated a bit more. I know Robin bought as well 2 days ago. I bought a little as well, and accumulation before continuation, in my opinion. They have the wallet thing happening, they have the network thing happening, they have the contracts, they have the team doubled already in size. It's insane. There's a nice momentum happening. I love it. And they're being tweeted every fucking second. I mean, I think I shared already a few images, but they are in the top 3 constantly every day about most tweeted coins, and they are in the top 2 weekly on the weekly most tweeted coins. So it's insane. It's fucking insane.
Yeah, so my price target will be like 8 cents. Easily this year.
Oh,
yeah,
80
like
cents this year? Come on, man. This year is just January. If you say 80 cents this year, no one will take you serious. $5 this year at least.
Hey, yo. Hey, look at the top though. How much percent is that?
Yeah,
I mean, how much percent is that
top,
from what we know?
Personally, I have the target of like $10. You know, personally, I have the target of $10. Whatever else comes, then it's more than welcome. Keep in mind, it's only 35 million market cap, and it's the most advanced real-world asset project that there is out there yet. So if you just need to do easy math.
I love the project, man.
Yeah,
I love
you
the
just
project.
need to do easy math. So if it's $20, good. If it's $50, even better. But we'll take it level by level. We're not gonna get greedy. When we see, when we see Nupal nearing top, we sell out. That's it. It's all about Bitcoin. We can have as many targets as we want, but if Bitcoin tops out, crypto will top out.
Yeah. Never hold your targets too long, or have certain price targets of like $1, like for Dogecoin, for instance, last year.
Yeah.
Don't do that shit, man.
No.
Don't do that shit. You can look at support and resistance, but the market conditions will always overrule. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, takes over.
Yep.
That's it. It's just easy, man.
For fucking sure. Alrighty. So let's move to 0KN, though we touched also already. Nice chart. I barely, like every fucking week is getting eaten up, it's a reversal candle.
I cannot lie, man. I might want the DCA today, actually.
Yeah,
for
sure.
You never know, man.
Understandable. But the reversal candle again, but we had the reversal candle here as well, and it didn't end up, happening. Didn't end up going anywhere. We had also a reversal candle here. It didn't.
Or can you show the chart I shared you on Discord? Send you on Discord.
Give me a sec. Here you are.
What's that?
Look at that. Yeah. Is that?
What's that?
Is that today's? Is that like? Did you just do that or?
I just did it.
Nice. So yeah, that's an ascending triangle. Sorry,
it's a unit swap.
It's a pennant. It's a continuation pattern. Trend is going up. So if breakout with momentum, we're going to go much higher. Definitely.
And it didn't have much of a push last 2 days when Bitcoin recovered.
Yeah. But of course, because it needs to, it needs to compress. Definitely, it's compressing a lot now at the moment. That's a good find, by the way. Really good find.
Yes, sir.
USA, you can buy. Project is serious. I like it, but there's still a lot of inflation, so I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't buy the token yet. Perhaps the NFT. I would definitely get it because it will be definitely worth a lot. Token, not yet, since there's a lot of inflation still. So the NFT, guys, I think it will be definitely worth. It's a utility NFT. It will give you a share of the revenue that they're making. They're making already, like, within the first real month, they're already making a week 100K of revenue, which is insane, which is fucking insane. So
100K, bro.
Yeah, and they're going to be sharing a month 60% of their profits. So 60%. So take that into consideration. Rollbit, which is their competitor, which is the first ever GambleFi platform out there, is making $2 million revenue a day. Imagine that in a month. Let's just say 60 million revenue. Imagine 60% of that going to stakers, to NFT stakers. It's a fucking Dutch salary here that you would get a month just for holding and staking NFT. So
Yeah.
I don't think
Yeah,
personally
when you
I'm going
have
to
like
get there.
proper bags in the staking wallet,
Yeah,
for instance, Foresti, the last cycle,
Yeah.
that's a Dutch salary, man.
yeah.
It
Actually,
adds up.
last bull cycle I was getting on between Gather, which was in one project, and between Veracity, both combined, I was getting like 4k euros a month just from staking rewards. It was insane.
Holy shit.
It was fucking insane, bro. I got that for like 7 months straight. It was insane.
You gotta do it next cycle again. This cycle.
100%. 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. GG. We played it. If I'm going to buy here, if it touches, though I must say my bags are packed already by gaming coins, so I don't think I will buy GGG. Depending on how their development goes, I might buy, but as of right now, I don't think I'm buying. But if it touches here, I'm definitely interested. If it touches here, I'm definitely interested, but as of now, I'm not buying really.
No, I was a long-term holder, but no, I'm not. I was never a long-term holder, by the way. But I wanted to scale in more and more, so I bought one DCA moment in, and checked the chart, had some good double top resistance, and decided to cash out with a little with profit, with like 20%. And let's see what it can do.
Yeah,
It's still a young project.
yeah, we can definitely trade it, but holding it not for us.
Look at the chart I sent you, Omar. It's GGGs. But I don't like this current setup right now. It's lower than the lowest point of the compression, right?
Yeah, and you definitely don't want that.
Nope.
No.
So we keep that on the watch list, but that's it for so far for GGGs. All right.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Now Glimmer. Yeah, I think this is a perfect read we had. You know, like the breakout, the bottom, the top. Well, not the top, to be honest, because I thought it would get here, but it actually ended up pushing well. But the bottom here, the local bottom was a nice call. I think a reaccumulation phase here makes a lot of sense. You know, make a higher low, accumulate, and then just continue to trend up. So yeah, not really.
Okay, so the all-time high.
Yeah, it's 50
What's
bucks. 50 bucks. But
and where are we now?
I must say that to get there now, because now a lot of coins are out there, you know, in circulation. Now it's 37, so it's a little bit over 100x. But to get there, it's going to be difficult. You know why? The market cap. You know, there need to be a lot of use case. There's need to be a lot of volume happening on the blockchain. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be taken into consideration here. So
looking at the chart, what are some nice targets like midterm or
midterm? If you hold it, I think then, you know, here for example, like 86 cents, the local top 55 cents, and perhaps 1.8 euros dollars, sorry, and 1.5 as well. Like
oh my god, $8 confirmed.
no,
in the bull.
$8 is
sell your house, guys.
$8 pretty fucking high still, but yeah, it depends on the network usage, to be honest. Same for DOT, by the way, right? Which is, it's not looking as good as Moonriver, and Polkadot is the king. Well, king was the king, but was the king of interoperability. You know, that word basically means that allows blockchains to talk and message with each other without actually needing a bridge. But yeah, it doesn't look good. It broke neckline. It's still right below the neckline. If I put the daily, it looks like it's just going to have a bearish retest. You know, let's take this out. It just looks
lower
like
high,
it's
right?
going, yeah. So head and shoulders, as we said in the chat, it's just going to go lower and lower and lower now. At least this first point now, you know, 5.8, 5.7, and then just let's see. But it needs to get above this neckline if it wants to continue to go up. But as of right now, I would actually build a short right here. If it was, you know, if I wanted to short, this is actually a right moment to short, honestly speaking.
Yeah, still a lot of uncertainty in these market conditions.
Yeah, definitely.
You want a DCA, and you don't want a long here, guys.
No.
You don't want too long.
Definitely not. definitely. Yeah, and I think overall these are the charts that we share in our chat. If you guys have any other charts that you guys want to us to review it, please send in the chat any other questions you might have. And then I think yeah, we're closing up on an hour now of streaming, so yeah, I think it was a nice one. Maybe Robin, do you want to add something?
Yeah, I had some questions about where we can buy certain altcoins. And yeah, to be honest, guys, we love to share more knowledge and more in-depth knowledge about the industry and about certain topics like buying certain altcoins, how to use certain programs, and we do want to touch more on that. So maybe there will be something coming soon regarding like tutorials or a training. So be sure to look for that, guys.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, not a real question yet. I believe we answered a lot from multiple members.
Yeah,
so that's good to see.
For sure. Yeah. We did.
Great, guys.
Yeah. No. Well, let's give them 1 or 2 minutes. Send questions, guys, if you want. And yeah, we'll close the stream, and then
don't be hesitant, man.
We're going to be, of course, live in the chat in Telegram. We're always available there.
You can ask them in Dutch, guys. Questions. Maybe we'll answer in Dutch. I don't know.
Yeah, whatever you guys want. Whatever you guys prefer, yeah. 4 likes this stream. Nice. 31 total views. That's amazing.
For our first stream.
Not bad at all. You start somewhere. I was actually expecting just like 4 people to come in, like 2 people to come in, but
that's typical, bro.
Yeah.
When you start, it's never that busy.
No, but I'm happy that people can. What's your
seeing a lot of activity though from in the Telegram.
Yeah.
Love to see that, man.
What's your take on XRP at the moment? Okay, let's see.
XRP, hold on.
XRP.
I see you, Sander. You can talk English, man. That's good.
Thank you for the stream. Hey, thanks a lot, Luke, for coming in, man. That's for sure. You are the real guy. Thank you for coming. Okay, Binance, XRP. One thing I have to say about XRP, I hate XRP. So whatever I say, please, it's not going to be a... I can try give you a professional answer, but I hate XRP. Not because I ever bought it and lost money on it. It's just because it doesn't do anything. It claims to be the fastest. I traded it. I used the blockchain for transactions. It is fast, but it's just not reliable, super centralized, and the token community, the community of XRP is just. I hope you're not there. But it's just a cult, you know? Oh yeah, we're going to replace world power, but you're not gonna do shit. XRP is not gonna do shit. As a crypto project, it failed completely. As fundamental, it failed completely. You know? So that.
But to sum it up, it's really hard to realize what they're actually planning on doing, and what they are saying. It's very hard to realize, and people underestimate it. It's like wishful thinking a bit.
Yeah,
in my
but
opinion.
it's
Right?
Yeah, you're bullish on it. That's only because of bull runners. Yeah, no, you can be bullish on it. You know, I might be wrong, of course. Yeah, you know, we get stuff wrong as well every now and then. But me as a person, I just don't like it just because of the community and because they got diluted by 70% already in comparison by the last bull market. You know, like now for it to get just as high as the last bull market, like $1.8, like let's call it $1.9, it needs to have double the market cap it had back then. You know how crazy that is? Where the fuck did that inflation come from? These guys were already diluted, but no, they keep fucking printing. They keep minting new tokens. And you get this issue, you know, and then let alone to get back to fucking old all-time high, which was $3.5, then it needs to have fucking 4 times the amount it had in terms of market cap. So that's why. But I'm not gonna hate on it anymore, and let's talk TA. So
I've shared some charts as well on Discord.
Okay,
you can check it.
I'm gonna put them up as well. Let me see also.
So that's only for like the short term.
Yeah, I see. For example, you have, for example, this area right here.
But still, guys, in my opinion, it can do it can do stuff still in the bull market. It's not
Oh yeah, of course.
it's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
impossible, man. It's not
100%.
impossible. Sure.
Oh yeah, he stopped. Oh, he bought in at this area. He said, "Ooh, okay, yeah." See, I mean, I can see already, for example, that if it had this trend line,
It lost the trend line support, man.
Exactly, it had this trend
You see
line,
it.
so
God damn.
likely it goes like the realistic scenario is that it drops to 31 cents. Will it drop there? Likely not, because that's just hard TA. But the likeliest scenario is that it gets actually here. Here,
Yeah.
this is definitely the spot where you would want to buy in case you want to buy more tokens.
Sure.
So here, that's definitely the place. We could take also the VPVR, which I have here, and confirm that, which confirms my box that I had here. Literally confirms it, so that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. This line here confirms the VPVR, and you know, you have this box here, which is likely the scenario that will get hit. Now let's get the Robbins chart. Yeah,
More or less same, right?
Yeah, more or less the same indeed. Yeah,
In the line graph, you see really good delimitation as well.
Yeah, because of the wicks.
I use it as a tool to find support and resistance. I learned it from Mom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
yes, sir. No, we learn from each other. We learn from each other.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
You sometimes have different opinions, but
that's what we want.
combine them, right?
Have different opinions, different biases.
Yep.
Yeah, no, that's good. This is what I would be looking at, to be honest. This is what I would be looking at.
So let it drop, and you might want to DCA if you want tomorrow.
For sure. Oh, I love to see Realio waking up. Nice. Look at the weekly. Oh my god, the buying pressure is insane. The buying pressure is insane.
But how does this perform against Bitcoin when it dropped? Because you said that was important, right?
I don't really look at BTC pairs, to be honest. Oh,
no, like how much did it drop on the day Bitcoin dropped?
Oh, I mean, that's a good question.
I mean it like that.
Let's see how much.
Because then it falls back on its fundamentals and like the community wanting to sell, yes or no.
22 of January. Yeah, it basically had the same amount, to be honest. Just the same amount, 6%. 6%.
And also you do want to share one graph with what the community saw already before, which I just shared in a Discord.
Yeah.
Climbing up the stairs. It's like a very predictable pattern it's in right now.
Yeah.
I don't say it has to follow it, but it's still following it till the day. So
100%.
A compression phase before coming into a new phase.
Yeah.
And the new consolidation phase after this current one might be 2 to 4x higher, man.
Yeah, 100%.
If you look at the
at the very least, right? So yeah. At the very least, I mean, we've seen already here a pump, you know, from the bottom from this week till here, a 6x. So imagine a 6x from here, from this bottom. Well, I want to.
My next breakout target would be 1.16 because that's a neckline of.
Oh yeah. Here $4.2 would be the 6x, and then more consolidation, and then more. But yeah, guys, I think this was it. Do you want to add anything else?
That's it, man. That's all.
Nice. Let's want to touch this, you know, the altcoin index real quick. I mean, I think it's back on track. We're not overheated. Like by far, we're not overheated on the long term. On the short term, Bitcoin season will be coming soon, but yeah, we're looking really good. We're looking really good in terms of alts long term. So yeah, I think
great, man. Where can they find more updates in the near future, or like the clips from this entire stream?
Yeah. Hey man, hey Sander, thanks a lot for tuning in. Have a nice weekend, you too. Have a nice weekend, everyone, actually. And
Good
thanks
weekend,
for coming
guys.
in. I'm happy. We're happy that you guys came in, shared an hour of your life with us, and yeah.
Yes, sir.
have a nice weekend, and yeah, invite friends to our Quotum community, so that they also
So you can win the next VIP, guys.
Yeah, because we're going to do another 1 or 2 more giveaways of the VIP free. There's still like, we're not going to open the VIP yet, but when we do, make sure you have your free position, because we want to help you guys a lot. So yeah, invite friends, help them out as well. You know, we're real. You guys see that. So hey,
That's it, man.
that's it. All right, guys. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.
Bye bye.